Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Premium Plus and an Octane Red exterior. It rides with 17-inch Yokohama Avid all-season tires. Under the hood is a 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine, giving this Grand Caravan 283 horsepower. Along the driver's side door, you have your power locks, power windows, and your power mirrors. This Grand Caravan seats up to 7 people with premium leather with suede lining in the interior. If you're on the driver's side, you get access to the power seat and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings, and on the left, you have your Bluetooth, voice recognition, and in-dash menu board buttons. On the other side of the steering wheel is your audio controls. As we head into the odometer, it reads 22,414 kilometers. The Grand Caravan comes with the Uconnect touchscreen, so you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we go into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. And when we go to nav, you get a full detailed screen to guide you where you need to go. Heading on down, we have your tri-zone climate control system, so you can independently control the driver's side, the front passenger, and the rear section of the Grand Caravan. As we head to the back, we have 2 captain chairs in the second row with lots of leg space. When we move to the back, we have 3 more seats with plenty of leg space, and if we look up, way up, we have the third of our tri-zone climate control system, and for entertainment purposes, pressing this button brings down the DVD entertainment system. Once you're done in the back, this button here activates the power sliding door. As we head to the trunk, there's plenty of cargo space with storage along the side. If you need any more space, the third row is a 60/40 split fold Sto N Go, just like how the second row is a Sto N Go as well. And once you're done in the back, this button activates the power liftgate. So there you have it, the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Premium Plus. If you like what you see and would like to come down for a test drive, or if you have any other questions, come see us at Tower Chrysler, get that Tower Power deal. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.